Hello, welcome to Bærekraftig facilitation. It's Fenari and I here again, Facilitation Friday, and we want to pick up on the theme that we saw in last week's episode on kind of seeing everybody online. We had some chat around how it works to see everyone on screens, Fenari. How do you do this?
Yes, we did. And this goes into group size, for instance. So it differs what kind of software you use. If you use Teams or Zoom, there can be differences. That means how many people can you actually see at the same time on the screen. And this gives us a challenge to how we design the session. But I think, again, if we compare it to the offline or the real physical world, we also do the same kind of discussions there. We worry about group size. If you have 7 to 8 people, that's one thing. If you have 20 to 30 people, it's quite another session. So it really comes into thinking about how do I do this best with the number of people I have and align with the software I use.
But the tech does make a difference. I mean, if you've got 2 screens, it is going to be easier to see. And one of the things that I've experienced is it's very easy for me to assume that other people have got the same setup that I have, you know, a screen there, a screen there, a screen there, a mobile phone here, a tablet if I want to, but other people might not. And there are some tricks around it, you know, joining on a mobile phone to get the audio and visual, and then on the laptop to see the text. But I think we still have to think that it's not just us, but our people in the events we facilitate may not be at the same level of technology that we are. And again, that speaks to how we design our interventions. What do you think, Sven?
I totally agree. I think this speaks to accessibility. This is something that we do also in a physical workshop. We worry or we think about can we include everyone who's participating with how they are and what kind of things they need to participate. So we do that. We should do that also when we do that online. So we should clarify for this, it would be wise to have 2 screens, or you need at least a laptop screen. For this session, we advise you not to use a tablet, but this speaks to accessibility, and we need to think about that and not just assume that people have the same tech setup that we do.
And that accessibility is going to be different online. I can think of some of my extroverts who hate working online, but actually it enables some of my introverts to be able to express themselves in a well-designed space.
Exactly.
And it goes back to that question, how can I help you access what you need in the session, which I think is so important to ask in advance. That's time for us this week. We'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. Thank you very much.
Bye.